How to enable audio device in. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for control panel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for hardware and sound in control panel and then click on hardware and sound. After you click on hardware and sound, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Manage audio device, which is below sound. Then select the device you want to enable audio from. Right-click on the device, and if it's disabled, you will find Enable option in here like shown disable. And that's how you enable audio device in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.